Hey, good day, folks. This is another S Group daily review video. We're at video number 33 here. And yeah, really exciting video here today, guys. Another great day of earnings. Go up to the notification bell here. We had 78.19. This is for yesterday. I wasn't able to do a video yesterday, guys, because I was busy. So this is yesterday's earnings. 78.19, 0.72%. Which was Wednesday. This was Tuesday's earnings, 0.67, 72.40. So look at that, guys. And, geez, almost made, I made like 150, yeah, around 150 bucks or so out of 2 days, guys. It's incredible. The computerized bot that's doing the auto trading for us, he's on fire right now. So just think, guys, out of 8 days, if you go to my investment section, it'll tell you my earnings. So I reset my month 8 days ago. So I go down to here, see where it says monthly income. If you add this up together, alongside my referral bonus that I have, an extra $17, I made around $400, guys, in 8 days of earnings. So yeah, it's incredible. Like I'm excited. On Friday, I'm going to be combining. So today's Thursday. So we have today's earnings tonight, and then we have tomorrow's earnings. So after tomorrow evening, I'm going to be combining these two investments, which will take my monthly income amount, whatever that may be. Hopefully, be around 500, and it'll put it up to here. And once it's up here, guys, what I can do from that point, I can do a withdrawal request. So at that point, I'll be going to the finance section here. First step to do is I have to go to exchange, because I have to convert. Usually, when the money gets thrown up here, it gets set up as tokens. So I have to convert it from tokens to, when I go like this, see, because amount in S&T, which is their tokens, to USD, which is cash. Then I'll hit exchange. And then at that point, all the money up here, which will be around $500, will be all in USD cash. Then what I'll do is go to withdrawal, enter in the amount I want to withdraw, which will be the entire amount up here. And then I enter in the wallet address, which is actually in the S wallet when you load the S wallet, guys, which I showed you in the previous video. I get the USD wallet address, so that way I can throw all this money into the USD funds. And then it'll be in my S wallet. So at that point, it's out of S Group, and I have full access to the money. So I can basically send it anywhere I want. But I'm going to have to send it to my ShakePay account, because up here in Canada, we use ShakePay to transfer money to our checking accounts. So I'm going to be converting that money into Bitcoin. It's a lot of process. And that way I can send it to ShakePay. And once it's in ShakePay, I convert it to dollars, Canadian dollars, and then I can transfer to my checking account via e-transfer, and then I'll have the money. So the whole process from S Group to S Wallet, I was told it takes anywhere from 8 to 10 hours. So I'm basically going to do it before I go to bed, and then when I get up in the morning, it'll be in the S Wallet, and then from there I'll switch it over to my ShakePay account, which takes about, that whole process, conversion and everything, takes about half an hour. So I'll get everything Saturday morning, guys. So, but I'm going to make a video on everything, the whole process. It'll be exciting to do. And a couple of people wanted to see the withdrawal videos. So that's coming tomorrow evening, guys. And then into Saturday morning. I might actually do two videos, combine them into one, to be honest. So that we can kind of see the whole process in one video. You don't have to click off two videos. But yeah, guys, it's very exciting. And I'll be able to use that money. I have to pay a couple bills. My car insurance came and another bill. So I'll be able to pay that bill off, and I won't have to worry about it, guys. And then, of course, my monthly will get reset, so I'll be back to this amount as opposed to like 14,600. But whatever, it's just 2 weeks of earnings. I need the money for bills, so I'm going to go back to this amount. It'll just start earning on the 14,165, which is really good. And yeah, I just won't touch it until it probably gets to about 20,000, I think. I don't know, maybe 16, 18,000, somewhere in there. I might do 2 week withdrawals, like take out half, take out 50%, reinvest 50%. That way I have money to do stuff with, as well as my account will keep growing. So yeah, guys, so that concludes my 5-minute daily review video. Make sure you click on the link in the description. Just sign up underneath my team. I'll show you everything. Been with the company for 2 years, so I'm quite knowledgeable. As well as my email address is in the description down below. So if you have any questions, shoot me an email. As well as make sure you hit subscribe button down below so you can be subscribed to my channel. You can get all the updates of my account, how things are moving along. Right, take care. See you guys next video.